Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you write an email to your boss using ChatGPT. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, you need to have an account in ChatGPT. If you have an account, then just go to the ChatGPT app by using Google or Chrome. I'm just using Chrome. Now here in the ChatGPT app, in the bottom here you can see send a message option. Click on it and type here anything of the topic you want, just like I'm typing write an email to boss for promotion, like this. Here you can see it is showing me an email for promotion to my boss. You can just simply copy it like this. Click on the copy and you can use it anywhere. So guys, that's how you can write an email using ChatGPT to your boss. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.